How to enable account restrictions on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable account restrictions on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here just click these 3 points in the bottom corner and then click settings, and now click here you will find parental controls. After you click settings and then just click on it, and now just go down and here you will find account restrictions. If you want to enable it, just click on it, and as you see now account restrictions are enabled. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and then see you in the next video.